Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Absolutely no idea what's in here, but we're going to find out together. It was sent by Ari. Thank you very much, Ari. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. Are you following me on Instagram? Does that dialogue just go in and out? It's okay, whatever you want. Oh my gosh, another Spyderco. Wow, this is a freaking Spyderco heavy month right now. We have a note. Oh, wait. Oh. What's this? What is this? You can read this on air. What's up, Metal Complex? Here's a brand new Spyderco blank, because I'm going to share it with you guys here in a sec. Just share with your audience. I look forward to hearing your impressions. It's a nifty item. It occurs to me that I may be dating myself by saying nifty. Okay. Thanks for unboxing and reviewing tools that we all love carrying and using every day. All the best, Ari. Hey, thanks, man. Look at these stickers. Yeah, that's cool. Look at that. Great. There's a whole bunch of business card and everything. That's cool. Well, guys, I don't think there's anything else in the box except for packing materials. So let's go ahead and get this out. Yeah. So this is a Spyderco that I've been curious about. This is the Spyderco Polestar. We're looking at CTS BD1. This is a less expensive Spyderco. And I don't think these are horribly expensive, but, you know, as far as I'm not going to say budget because I don't know the price of this. I'll link it right down below so you can go check what the price is real quick. First time I've ever handled it. I just remember seeing it's priced lower than other Spydercos, and it's because of where it's manufactured. But instead of G10 or FRN, whatever Spyderco uses, and ATR 13 MOV, which seems to be the Chinese Spyderco steel of choice, it's CTS BD1, which is not an ultra mega super premium hyper whatever steel, but it is, I think most people will agree, is more well-rounded and has better potential than ATR 13 MOV. So right off the bat, taking a look at this, it looks almost like it's frag pattern textured, but it's not. What is this? Is it laminate? Something or other, G10 and something else? Is it two types of G10? I don't know. It definitely doesn't feel like FRN, which is nice. Blade profile is nice. Access to the liner lock is wonderful. They carve out a huge space. This is why I don't understand why other companies don't do this. I don't have a problem with how this looks. And you have complete and total access to the liner. Feels like it's running on phosphor bronze. Has to be. Has to be. How's the centering? It's a little off, right? Nothing that can't be fixed with some turning of the pivot and handle screws. Got a video on that if you want to check out how to center your blade. Pocket clip, typical Spyderco pocket clip with a hole with the lanyard. So there's your carry. It's a little bit, I'm not going to call it shallow. It's a little shallow, right? Ergonomics are good. Reverse flick, super. In fact, ergonomics are, there's plentiful room. There's a lot of, what's the word? There's a lot of, you got a lot of runway, I guess, for your hands. It's not the best way to say it, right? Nice ramp. Typical Spyderco leaf-shaped blade with no sharpening choil. It's always kind of a bummer, but okay. You can make use of the entire cutting edge, though, so that's nice. You can definitely choke up right behind the blade. Depending on how much this costs, this might be a better introductory option to Spyderco for a lot of people over, like, the Tenacious. I'm not talking about the S35EN variant of the Tenacious, but, or your Emphasis, your Resilience, right? Your whatever those. There's like two separate families of knives, each consisting of 3 different sizes. This looks interesting. I've never experienced this before, but it's nice to experience all the different areas of Spyderco. If you don't know, I've got a whole playlist dedicated to every Spyderco knife that I've ever taken a look at. And I'm on this track right now where I might as well just review as many different Spydercos as I can because I like comparing and contrasting and giving people options, right? Spyderco is one of those brands where it's really hard to buy your first one because they are super weird looking, right? Spyderco's got great $50 knives and they've got great $400 knives. It just depends on what you're after and how experienced you are with the brand and what your budget is. So First impressions on this guy, other than the centering, I like the combination of materials a lot more. Again, pending how much this actually costs. I think it's one of the less visually offensive Spydercos that are out there, right? I mean, if you look at the Spyderco PM2 and Para 3 and think, oh my gosh, in fact, here we go, right? Spyderco PM2 is freaking weird looking, and it is super expensive. It's also one of the most popular Spyderco knives in existence. This guy, this is from another viewer, and it's left-hand carry. But yeah, a little bit less offensive on this guy. Cutting edge versus the PM2. We're actually looking at more cutting edge, while overall size, overall length is, what is the, let's take a measurement of overall length. Overall length on the Polestar is coming in at 7 3/4, so it's definitely about ½ an inch shorter than the PM2. Your blade length is coming in at a little bit over 3 1/4, and your cutting edge looks to be spot on 3 1/4. So yeah, I think those are pretty good. Honestly, I mean, again, pending whatever the price is, because I just remember it not being a super expensive knife. I think this is going to be a good choice for some people, but as per usual, not a review, just unboxing and first impressions, right? Doesn't make sense to review it if I'm just handling it for the first time. So a few weeks down the road, you'll get a full comprehensive review. I love that they give plenty of access to the opening hole on either side. This is very easy and very satisfying to deploy. All the different ways that you like to deploy a Spyderco, you can do it. Absolutely. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it. Like I said, you can find links right down below if you want to pick this guy up. I'm assuming it's still available. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Thanks again to Ari. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.